Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send money with BMO Harris Zelle. So the very first thing that you have to do is open the website or the application. Now once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the pay and transfer at the bottom next to home. Click on that, and in here you just have to select send money with Zelle. So if you click on that one, you have options here to send and request. But since we're sending money, we have to click on send button and just tap on OK right here. So here is where you can select the recipient. So if you have a new recipient, you can tap on add a new contact. And if you already have the recipient saved your details in here, then you can go ahead and click on that one. So once you have selected the recipient, just go ahead and tap on this OK right here. Go ahead and type in the amount that you want to send to that person. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on send. So tap on done right here. And then scroll down and tap on review to review all the details. Make sure it's all correct. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!